Hello everyone, hope you are fine, good and safe at home. Okay, today we'll learn string literal. What is string literal? How to create a string, basic string operators, membership operators and comparison operators are the today's topic. First, what is a string? The text enclosed in quotation forms a string literal in Python. Is it too complicated? Let us make it easy. The text, which means a letter or a word or a sentence or even a paragraph, if that is enclosed in a quotation mark, that is called a string. Clear? We'll make it clear. Okay, next, how to create the string? We have discussed what is a string, so you should know how to create the string, right? Okay, so you have learned what is a string. Next, how to create a string? First way, from user input. So I can get input from the user by using str function. I can create a string, or I can create directly by using single quotation marks or double quotation marks or triple quotation marks. Let's see now how to create the string. Open a new file. Now let me take first variable which holds the single quoted string. Next, I use my double quoted string, that is a word. I got letter first, then I stored word next, then I'm going to store a paragraph contains more than a line. So that's the reason for the triple quoted string. So let me have this example. This is my sample paragraph. Don't forget to close the triple quotation marks. And remember, if you use three double quotes, it should be ended with the three double quotes. Let me save this file. As it is string, we'll save it as string part 1. Don't forget, never save your program as only string, as it may raise an error. It's very important point. Okay. After execution, all these are assigned to it. So let me print one by one. Print A. Yeah, it stores my letter. Print B. It prints my word. Print C. It should print my paragraph, which means it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Oh, this space is mentioning here. It's not a problem. Next, we have tried our second method. We're going to try our first method. What is the first method? Getting input from the user. So D is equal to string of input of enter something. Now if I execute that, see the prompt. This prompt is getting from the user. So whatever I enter here will be pointed towards this variable D. Let me try with some numbers. See there? If I print D, that is assigned to the variable D. So this is how the second method you can create the strings from the user. So first we have seen what is string, and next how to create the strings by using single quotation marks, double quotation marks and triple quotation marks. So we have learned how to create the string. Next, basic string operators. There are two basic string operations, replication and concatenation. So replications, as usual, it's multiplication, and concatenation, it's addition. So replication shows how to multiply a string, and concatenation shows how to add a string. So first, the syntax for replication is an integer with a string. Remember, it must be of integer, asterisk and string. It's not like float, complex or any other with the string. So integer part and a string part. Let me give an example. So 2 here is an integer part and asterisk is replication operator and wow is my string. So what will be the output? The result will be wow wow. Yes, it is replicated twice. We got our word inside the variable b. So let us try this. Print b replicated twice. I don't want this prompt to be risen, so let me comment it. See now, word. It can be of string replicated with integer or integer replicated with string. Both have same meaning. Word. In case if you want to get from the user and you have to change that, I can do this also into thrice. So it is asking for me to enter something. I'm going to enter high. So if I enter high, it will be multiplied respect to the number which I have entered here. So let me try high. Now it prints thrice. This is an example for replication. So replication shows asterisk operator. Next example is for concatenation. So concatenation shows addition symbol. It's plus. Remember, it should add only string with a string. There is no integer part, and it cannot add with some other. Let us see an example for this. So string of 1 is added with string of 1. What will be the output? Any guess? The result is 11. Do not think that it will give the result as 2 because it is the string. Don't forget to see the quotation marks around the numbers. If the number or text or whatever it may be enclosed with the quotation marks are considered as the string literal in Python. Let us see this example also. Let me try this. E is equal to string of input, enter something, enter something 2. So now I try to add this with that. So whatever I enter first will be added last, and whatever I type second will be added first. Enter something will be my last part, and enter something 2 will be my first part. See that? First and last. If you change the order, that will be the results will be shown accordingly. Example D plus E. When you do enter the same thing and last for this and first for that, the output will be last first. Okay, the next example is for membership operators. What is membership operator? It's in and not in. The very simple example is that A in apple. So it searches for the exact match in a string. So if I can find A, if it is exactly present in my given string, it shows the result in a boolean, that is true. A in apple. A in apple. What will be the result? True? No. It's false because it searches for the exact match. As it is the lowercase letter, as it is uppercase letter, it's not matched. So it prices an error. In case if you have changed this into a smaller case, it shows the value true. The next operator is not in. Apple not in A. It's true because the apple is not inside A. Now apple in A is it's false. So the last part is of comparison operators. There are 6 comparison operators. First one, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, and equal to. So these are also called relational operators. Before learning that, you should know the ordinal values of the numbers. That is the Unicode value for every numbers and digits and special characters which can be processed by the computer. So the first part is of 0. 0 has the Unicode value 48, that is ordinal value, and 1 for 49 and 2 for 50, vice versa 3 for 51, and number 8 for 56 and 9 for 57. For uppercase letters, it starts with 65 for A, 66 for B, 67 for C, and 68 for D continuously, and Y for 89 and Z for 90. Then lowercase letters. These are on the highest Unicode values, that is A starts with 97, B with 98, and C with 99. So Y has 121 and Z has 122. So why should we learn these ordinal values for comparison operators? It's very essential. You should know that numbers are starting with 48, that is 0, and uppercase letters are starting with 65 and lowercase letters are starting with 97. Let us see how it works. The first example is A is greater than A. What will be the result? It's true because A has the value 97 and capital letter A has 65. So it compares with the Unicode value. Python never compares with the length of the string. Say for an example, BCD. If you consider this A is a length of 1 and this ABCD, the second string, as of length more than 1, you cannot justify that with the number. So we should go with the ordinal values always. If that ordinal value is greater than, it works accordingly. Okay, how do you find the ordinal value? So we have two special functions for it. First, odd, ORD. It takes the character. Example A. It returns the ordinal value of the specified string inside the parenthesis. So it gives that 97. And the next one is for 0, 48, and the next one is for capital A. It's 65. Okay, I know the ordinal value, but I don't know the what character is that. In such case, we can use char function. Char of 66. What is the result? It's B. Okay, as A is 65 and B must be of 66. Next, greater than and less than. So A less than Z. What is the result? A is of 97 and Z is of 122. So when I enter this, it gives the result true. Now remember, numbers start with 48 Uppercase letters start with 65 and lowercase letters start with 97. And don't think that it is starting with 65 ending in 90, so we can start with 91. In between, it occupies the special characters. So you have learnt everything today for part 1. Great day. Don't forget to do the assignments. Thank you everyone for watching this.